Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to identify the next figure in the given pattern below. Now carefully observe, we have three figures. So this is our first figure, this is figure number 1, this is figure number 2 and this is figure number 3. So let's draw the first figure. It's somewhat similar to this. So in the first figure, total number of sides is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So total number of sides in figure number 1 is equals 5. Now let's draw the second figure. So in the second figure, total number of sides is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total number of sides is equal 6, and in the third figure we have okay so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So total number of sides is equal 7. So can you observe the pattern? In the first figure, total number of sides are 5, in the second figure it's 6, and finally in the third figure it's 7. So the total number of sides is increasing by 1. So the next figure should have 8 sides. Therefore, from above pattern, next figure should have 8 sides. So let's draw that figure. So side number 1, side number 2, we have side number 3 over here. Then let's draw side number 4, side number 5, and just draw the symmetric version of it in the below side. So we have 5 sides over here, then we have side number 6, side number 7 and side number 8. So let's name the vertices as A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Now if you want to cross verify, then you can count that side number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is our required figure. Now let's remove the markings. So this will be our required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.